Well, good afternoon, John here again. Well, you can see I've got, I call it the mobile shop. It doesn't go off site, it just moves around inside my garage here. But I've got everything pretty much in its place for when I need to use everything. I've got the table saw here, and that pushes back over there, right in there. And then my little in-feed table, which is my old dog crate with some plywood on top, is usually there. And then the planer, it's on a cart that's got all my clamps. That goes over behind the Blue Eddies. And then the outfeed table, that usually stacks against that post. And then the bandsaw, I haven't used it yet, but I'm going to. The only thing that isn't on wheels is the drill press, and I use the hand truck to move that. And then I've got my dust collector back there hooked into the planer, a little 12-inch DeWalt planer. And then the shelves kind of move out of the way. But everything's on wheels pretty much, except for the drill press, I guess, and then I use the hand truck to move that if I ever need to move that. Well, here's the face frame. I don't have everything. I just have it all dadoed and fit. You can see how I got that dadoed into that little piece there. And then these will go on there. And then I've got my arch drawn. I think you can see it there. It goes over like that. I'll cut that out. I'm going to hold off until I get the other one all ready, and then I'll cut them both. And I'm thinking I'm going to use this bead around the outside perimeter frame. I think that'll work right there, and the front piece on the shelf will still be. I think that'll look kind of nice. I'll just run that bead up and all the way around the top of the arch. So I think that's how I'm going to do that. So anyhow, and then there'll be a crown mold that'll go to the ceiling. Haven't decided if I'm going to use a crown mold or a cove mold. I may use just a cove. The ceiling is about right here, or about here. I'm thinking a cove mold might actually, because the center unit here sticks out. It's 16 inches deep. These are both 12 inches deep, so the cove would come out and then around and then back and then over to the wall. Alrighty. You have a good one. God bless.